In today's video, I'm going to be giving away one of my profitable niches that make me passive income on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how you can make at least $200 daily with this niche alone. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to YouTube, and you want to head over to the search section. So once you come over to the search section, you want to type in subliminal. So for those who don't know what subliminal is, it's a micro niche under the spirituality niche, which people can use to manifest their desires. So once you type in subliminal, you are going to see other related keywords that you can use for this exact strategy. So once you type this, as you can see right here, for money and success, for relationship, for money, for booster, for beauty and all that. So we are going to take for money and success as an example in this video. So you want to click on this. So once you click on that, you are going to see a lot of videos that you can use for this strategy. So I'm going to take this video here as an example. So once you come over to any of the videos, all you need to do is to simply go to the description of the video. And once you come over to the description, you are going to see the affirmations under the description of that video, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is to copy the whole of this affirmation. So the next step is to come over to this website called ttsfree.com. So this website is going to help us convert this text to speech. All right, so all you need to do from here is to then paste in the text right here. Okay, so once you paste in the text, you want to come over here and you can use any voice of your choice, but make sure you select an English voice. All right, so once you select an English voice, like I said, you can also preview what this sounds like. So once you do that, all you then need to do from here is to come over and click on convert now. So once it is converted, as you can see right here, all you then need to do is to click on this download button. So once that is downloaded, the next step is to go over to pixabay.com. You want to come over to the search section and you want to type in rain. So once you type in rain, you want to change from all images and you want to click on sound effect. So once you do this, this is going to show you only rain sound effect that we are going to use to make money with this video. So once you come over here, you can download any of this rain sound effect, and keep in mind, you can use them for absolutely free. So the next step is setting up a YouTube channel by simply going over to youtube.com and you want to click on the sign up button. And also make sure to optimize the channel by adding banner logo, and you want to give it a name that resonates with this niche. So the next step is creating our own content, and to create our content, all you need to do is to come over to pexels.com, and depending on whatever niche you're working with, you want to type in the keyword right here. Since we are working with money, all you need to do is to type in money here and you want to click on search. All right, so you can use photos or you can use videos. It doesn't matter. Anyone is going to work just fine. So I'm going to take photos as an example, and all you need to do from here is to download the most suitable photo that you can use to promote this niche. This is an example of a very suitable image that is going to captivate people's attention right here. So all you need to do is to download this image. So once you download the image, you want to head over to canva.com to create a video. And now once you come over to canva.com, which is absolutely free as well, you want to click on this video. So once you come over here, as you can see, you want to upload the photo you downloaded from Canva, and you want to also upload the rain sound effect we downloaded and the text to speech affirmations. So once you do this, all you need to do from here is to simply drag the image like this. All right, so once the image looks good, all you then need to do is to add the affirmation audio right here, and the next thing is to also add the rain effect audio as well. So as you can see right here on top, this is our image, and as you can see underneath here, this is our text to speech affirmation, and right here, this is the rain sound effect. So all you need to do is to drag the image, and you want to increase the duration at least about 2 minutes. So for the affirmation, all you just need to do is to duplicate the affirmation. All right, so you want to click on duplicate track. So once you duplicate it, as you can see, you'll be able to extend it to about 2 minutes. All right, so as you can see, this is all you need to do to create your video on Canva. And now you may be wondering why doing this. If you go to the original example video, as you can see right here, this video is just showing an image for over 8 hours long. All right, so all you just need to do is to copy what is already working. So now once you do that, you want to simply download this video by clicking on the share button, and you want to click on download. So once you've downloaded the video, all you need to do is to come back to the channel you created, and you want to click on this create button to upload the video. So while you are uploading your video, you want to go back to this video, and now you want to use the same title this person is using. Okay, all you need to do is to copy that title, and here you want to type in new, so that once people see this new, they will be more likely to watch this video as well. All right, and also you want to go back here and copy the affirmation, and you want to paste it in the description as well. And now you may be wondering, how do you make money with this? So if we go back to the original YouTube video we are using, as you can see right here, this person is promoting a course right here. But instead of promoting a course, I'm going to show you how to make money and how I use this to make money with a very simple landing page like this, where people come to download free ebook and they have to complete CPA offers, and we make money. So the next step is to then come over to idplr.com. So you want to come over here and type in keyword related to the niche you're working with. Since we are working with the subliminal niche, which is under spirituality, and you can type in something like manifestation, and you want to look for a product that is related to that video. As you can see right here, money attraction. So all you need to do is to click on this product. So once you look for a suitable product for that video, all you then need to do is to create a simple landing page, and by all means you can use any landing page builder of your choice. So all you simply need to do from here is to add your content locker in this button by going over to your Cpagrip account, and make sure to use the URL file locker. All you need to do is to select any template of your choice right here, and make sure you want to add in the locked URL a download link where people can get this guide once they complete your content locker. So once you do that, all you then need to do is to come back to your YouTube video, and you want to type in a very simple call to action on the top of the YouTube description. Use this free program to get fast results. All right, so once people click on this link, they will be taken to this landing page. Once they complete the CPA offers, you make money, and they will be taken to this page where they can download this product for absolutely free. You want to replicate the same strategy for as many keywords related to subliminal as you can see right here.